Your body does not want to gain weight. It fights you on this. Day 23 arms you with 6 science-backed tricks to outsmart your appetite and hit your calorie surplus without even noticing it. You are committed. You cook your meals. You lift heavy. But you hit 1,800 calories and you are physically stuffed. The scale is not moving. Funny moment, you stare at a half-empty chicken bowl wondering how bodybuilders manage to eat 5,000 calories like it is nothing. The problem is your stomach, not your willpower. A 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that liquid calories bypass satiety signals far more than solid food, adding up to 400 calories a meal with almost no fullness compensation. NSF International 2025 research showed that larger plate and utensil size increases food intake by up to 22% by altering perceived portion adequacy. A pre-bed protein shake at 300 calories has shown in a 2024 journal ISSN review to add meaningful surplus without disrupting sleep or appetite the next morning. 22%. That is how much more people eat simply by switching to bigger plates and utensils. Small environmental tweaks, big calorie impact. Here is your 3-step Day 23 action plan. Step 1. Blend a 400-calorie shake with oats, peanut butter, banana, and whole milk between meals. It is easier to drink your surplus than chew it. Step 2. Swap your small plate and fork for larger dinnerware at every meal. Your brain will see the portion as normal, and you will naturally eat more. Step 3. Keep a trail mix bag of almonds, dried fruit, and chocolate chips with you, and eat a handful every 2 hours. It adds 600 calories before you feel full. Myth. If I am not hungry, I just need more willpower to force the food down. Truth. Appetite is heavily influenced by food form and environment, not just hunger signals. Liquid calories, larger utensils, and energy-dense snacks can meaningfully boost your intake without relying on willpower alone. Let's recap Day 23. Liquid calories and larger utensils can each add hundreds of calories without increasing fullness. Pre-bed shakes and trail mix are zero-discipline surplus boosters. Pick 2 tricks today and add them to every meal. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 24, we cover Track or Guess, why you must weigh your food.